Hello everyone. So today I'm going to be showing you how I make my egg and bacon tacos. And yes, this is not egg and bacon right here, but you got to get your day started with some caffeine. At least I do. And I know a lot of us like that coffee. So I'm pouring my hot water, going to get my instant coffee because my K-cup machine is having some water pressure issues that I couldn't fix. So I'm going to look into it later, but as for now, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make these awesome tacos. So I hope you guys enjoy. Right now, like I said, I'm going to be pouring my Nescafe Clásico, and then I'm going to be adding my creamer, which is the HEB. Like, look, I love HEB. So, yeah, mix it a little and stuff. For this, I'm going to be using, I eat 2 tacos. I'm going to be using actually 3 strips of bacon, also 2 eggs, a little bit of butter, and 2 tortillas de harina, which are flour tortillas. And the flour tortillas that I use are the ones that they have at the bakery at HEB. So if you guys happen to have a tortilleria or you have an HEB close to you, I definitely recommend that. Once you get those tortillas, they're so much better than the ones at the tortilla counter. So okay, so right here I have the bacon. You don't hear the tss. There was a lot of background noise, so I decided I'm gonna go ahead and do a voiceover. And yes, it's like they're stuck to glue. I know some people like to add oil to it so it could fry up more. Personally, I think that bacon is already greasy, fatty enough that it's not really necessary to add additional oil. So I'm gonna be leaving it there for a few minutes. I leave it approximately 6-7 minutes. You don't want to put it too high, you want to put it like medium-ish, and then just mix it up. I know it's all crumpled up together. You can also cook it in strips, but personally, if you cut it up in little squares, I think it just makes it crunchier in the edges, giving it some type of texture. So I'm going to leave it there for a little bit. I'm already going to get the other pan started and put just a teensy bit of butter. And once I put the butter, you don't want to put the eggs immediately. You want to make sure it heats up. At this point it's already heated, so it heated up for a couple of minutes, and I put my eggs in there. I'm going to be using 2 eggs, 1 egg per tortilla, and I'm going to be mixing it up first because I like mine scrambled. I'm also going to be adding some pepper and salt to it. When you add that pepper, oh boy, it's good. So I'm going to be adding that takes a little bit less than the bacon. It takes, I would say, like 4-5 minutes. It just depends on the heat you have it. Gonna mix up this bacon a little bit more, and yeah, as you can see, it's releasing more of its grease. And this breakfast, like I'm saying, it's super quick to make and it's really tasty. So you're not going to be going out there to McDonald's or wherever you go get your breakfast in the morning. Just wake up 15 minutes earlier, save yourself some money every now and then, and mix those eggs. And yeah, I hope that this background noise that I have is not super loud. I have my AC on, and sometimes it just tends to make like these weird noises. Yeah, that's my little music beat at the back on the background. Mix, menealo, 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 menealo. Oh, there goes the tortillas. Oh, I already had my griddle heated. You don't want to put it all cold in there and stuff. So I'm gonna make sure it's heated. I like my tortillas like well done, not like softish. Like I just like them well done. At this point, I already turned off the bacon and already turned off the eggs. So I'm just waiting on my tortillas, and of course I'm doing the taste test. I always like to do that when I cook. It just gives me an idea if, hey, does it need more time? Is it overcooked? Okay, never mind. But yeah, so look at the tortillas. Yeah, they look good. You know, whenever they're like blowing up like that, they're good. And they're ready. Start serving those eggs and that bacon. I don't know, I was having a hard time. It's like that wasn't working with me, so but I didn't want to grab with my hands because it's too greasy. I don't mind grabbing the eggs because they're not so greasy. Gotta get every last bit. Oh, look at that little piece of bacon. Amazing. I already have half a taco left. Let me tell you, if you're craving this and you don't want to go out and spend some money, definitely worth it. Takes about 10 minutes of your time. Make yourself a good coffee at home and it's tasty, I'm telling you. Mm-mm-mm-mm. I definitely recommend. It's like my go-to breakfast. Well, now my new go-to breakfast. Mm. I'm telling you, this is good. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And if you have any suggestions or want to comment down below, go right ahead because I'm definitely going to keep more videos coming. So until next time.